In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the circuit and how to move the camera. First, to build the circuit, we have a couple of buttons at the screen's bottom. The first button, wire, you will see a small animation when it is selected, and this means that you are in wire creation mode and all other buttons are disabled. If we now press on one node on the circuit, we can add a wire. Of course, when you add a wire, you add another extremity or another node on which you can press and add another wire or component. You can delete a wire. Oh no, first, if you disable the wire creation button, you can move the node you want just by clicking on it. It's very useful. You can delete a wire just by clicking on it, not on the node, directly on the wire, and you just press delete on the small menu. Then we add a resistor. We place it where we want, and we can connect one of the extremity of the resistor just by pressing it and make it correspond to an existing node. Of course, you are still able to move the node and all attached wire or component. Let's add another one, and we can connect it directly at placement, like that. We can move the camera. This is very useful, especially when the circuit will becomes huge. In this case, I just press the right button. Here I just move the central wheel to zoom in and out, and if I press on the central wheel button, we can move the camera right, left, up and down. Let's add a final resistor and arrange a little bit the node and close the circuit. Oops, I deleted the resistor by mistake. Let's add it again. No, it's a resistor, not a wire. Okay, resistor. We can change each component value just by clicking on the attached label. Let's change this one with 1000 ohm. The game replaces 1000 by 1k, which means 1 kilo. Don't worry, Prof will teach you that soon. Let's define this one to 0.001 and the game will replace with 1 milli. We can directly enter the value to avoid writing so much zero. Let's say for this one, 1 micro. Micro is set by enter 1 U. If we start the power supply with 0 volt, charges appear but nothing moves. Of course, it is 0 volt. But if we start with 5 volt, we see that the charges are now moving. See you soon on the wire.